So today is my last day of the month in the gym, and today makes a year in the gym. Oh my god, I still got like conditioner in my hair and I got oil in my eye. I tried to rub all this in, but it's just sitting up there. Maybe I should spray the top. Okay, y'all, this set is cute. I got it from Fashion Nova. Well, I didn't get it. My auntie got it from me from Fashion Nova. Hold on. I usually wear shorts. They'd be like, but this is cute and modest. If you're, a cute and modest person. It is a little panty. But you know what I'm saying? You gotta give them something. Yeah, this is the outfit for the last day of the last week of the gym week. Last day of the gym week and the last week of this month in the gym. Okay, anyway, this is the end of November, which makes 1 year in the gym. Give it up, because I think you deserve it. Your girl has been in the gym for 4 days a week for a year straight. Like, okay. I've always been a gym person. I've always been a workout person. But consistency has always been lacking. Like, I'll work out for a whole week, did not work out for a whole week, didn't work out for a whole week. But I never went more than like a month in the gym. I always go back. I always start back working out. I always go back. I always find something to get active. So I never just been complacent with my body. Like, I always wanted to improve stuff, but I didn't know what it actually took. And then my job was taking too much out of me for me to even fathom going to the gym every day consistently at the same time. My job wasn't consistent, so I couldn't get a consistent time or anything. Today I might be a little late to start my day just because I'm doing this, but I've been trying to be very strategic and consistent about how I start and how I do my day in general. So I've been focusing on that, and I know I've been trying to be consistent on here, but I'm not the type of person to just upload anything because I got high standards for me. I know I can edit, I know I can film, I know I can get the right angles, I know I could do the stuff that needs to be done. You know what I'm saying? I need to have something to say, I need to have something to show for, or something, and I don't feel like my life has been entertaining for the past 2 weeks because I haven't had inspiration. That's really what it is. And time too, but because I've been on go, I've been going back and forth to Mississippi doing hair, I've been family time and stuff, so you know what I'm saying, like, it's just been a lot. But I am so happy that through it all, I've been consistent in the gym. Even if I miss a day, I add a day. If I don't add a day, I add to that day. Like, I've been doing my shit. I want to give y'all a body update. I'll just insert my body update from after the gym today, because that means it'll be official. I do a video at the end of every month on my Snap. Y'all can follow me on Snap too. I do a video at the end of every month on my Snap just to show like what the month did. You know what I'm saying? And then give me something to look forward to. Instead of taking a picture every single day in the gym, I try to like actually progress first. And it's like, okay, today's the day for the picture, so let's get cute. And that's what I've been doing. Like, at the end of the month, I make sure I have a cute gym outfit. And this wasn't even planned, but I got this like a couple weeks ago from my auntie, and I didn't even know she had gave it to me. I just went in the box and I was like, oh, she gave me a suit. She was giving me some house stuff, like decorating my house. But this was a pleasant surprise. So thank you, Auntie, if you're watching this. I feel cute. I feel real cute, y'all. And that's how I like to feel at the end of the month in the gym. First of all, I'm cute every day in the gym. But on the end of the week, at the end of the month, I be trying to, you know what I'm saying, impress myself. Because I want to look impressive. And I've been working hard all month. And I'm about to upload my updated video. And my Snapchat friends or followers know that that's what I do. And I told them that, because I used to take pictures like every Friday. I'm like, nothing is happening every Friday. Like, I mean, something's happening, but it's not a distinctive change. I don't want to look through my pictures and I look the same, because then it feel like I'm not progressing. So when I do the end of the month, then I know, like, girl, you're better than you were last month. And now I know for sure I'm better than I was last year at this time, okay? Let me put it side by side up here for y'all. I'm going to put it, because like I said, I never just been still, because I always wanted to improve my body. So I put me when I first said, okay, I want to improve my body, like for real, for real. This was me when I said, okay. But at this time, like, you know how you don't know that you ain't got no ass because you got a little shape. So it's like, I got ass because it go with my frame. But then I started gaining weight, and this is what I look like when I was gaining weight. And I started trying to be consistent in the gym. Like, I went every chance I got, but not enough to like really progress and make a big difference. And then this is me today after I've been in there consistently. I gained weight a little bit when I was working, but my work was kind of physical and mental, so that's why I was like so draining. It's like, I don't even give a fuck about this company. I don't agree with this company. Why the fuck am I putting myself through this? Yeah, so it's like, why am I putting myself through this for somebody that don't give a fuck about me? Somebody that can replace me tomorrow because they put their money in your face. They gonna get somebody in there tomorrow, but they're gonna leave in like a year when they realize, you know what, money isn't everything. I just want to tell y'all that your girl been in the gym and your girl been doing her fucking thing. I think I'm wearing my hair like this. I haven't got a retwist yet either. And my roots are like so fluffy, y'all. And I love it. I love it. It mean my hair finna get a little bit longer when I get this retwist. Like, stop playing with her. Show her hair is growing. Her skin is flourishing. And her body is banging. This is what happens when you leave a toxic relationship and a toxic environment and a toxic lifestyle. This is what happens. You glow up, but you gotta be ready. You gotta be driven. And I've been driven. Like, I wake up sometimes and I'm like, what am I doing? Like, I'm supposed to be on a farm somewhere. That's what I went to school for. But I need to be around some animals. I need to get a job. I need to, you know what I'm saying? But I feel like that's just the devil talking. Because, like, I do want to work with animals and stuff. I did go to college for that, but I did that. I made that money. I have some money from that. I have some fruit from that still. That's just not what I'm aligned with right now. And I felt the depression and like the darkness coming on while I was there. And now I feel a lot lighter, but I just gotta keep going. Like, it's lighter, but I just gotta keep going. And that's what I'm gonna do. So I got some skating footage from like back when I was like, I don't know what to do for a photo shoot this week. So I did a skating video so y'all can just watch how far along I am and stuff. And y'all can actually tell me if y'all want some videos about that, because I've been learning by myself. Like, I taught myself, and I could probably make like a beginner how-to skate video. You know what, y'all don't even have to tell me to make it because I'm making it. But if y'all want to see more of it so I can actually put some effort into it, I'll do that. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to go to the gym. I just wanted to come and celebrate my 1 year in the gym and give y'all a hair update as well. And As you can see, all is well. If y'all got any questions, concerns, or anything you just want to say to me, leave it in the comments. I don't get that many comments, so you know you're gonna get a response. But rate this video if you like it, and if you want to see more about my gym life, and subscribe if you want to see more of me. Bye. So I only have 2 impressive tricks. And the first one is this little circle that I do. And it boosts up my speed and everything. And I just feel like a professional to even be able to handle the speeds that this can go to. And this spin, that's my number 1 accomplishment, y'all. Like, that one took forever for me to learn. But once I learned it, I can't stop doing it. It's my favorite thing to do. Y'all see how that wheel came up off the ground, that control? Stop playing. Skating is just one of those outlets that allows you to be free and just let go. Like, the only way you'll learn is to let go. And this move with the spin is when I finally felt it, and I was ecstatic when I finally got it. I was like, oh my God, this feels great. And I'm so happy I learned it, and I show everybody every chance I get. I'm like, this is my best trick. I feel accomplished. I have hair to do. See y'all later. Bye.